Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Scene. In this video, we are going to learn how to protect our account using IAM password policy and MFA. So now we have created users and groups. Now we need to protect our user and groups. For that, we have two different ways to protect our users and group. The first one is password policy. IAM password policy. Why? Because stronger password is more secure for our account. So in IAM password policy, here you can see firstly in AWS, we can set up password policy. First, set a minimum password length, then require specific characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and non-numeric characters, means special characters. Then requires users to change their password after some time. So that's the IAM password policy. And the second way is MFA, Multi Factor Authentication. Using MFA, you can protect your account and IAM users. So MFA equals to your password plus security device, hardware as well as software. Then the main benefit of MFA is if anyone lost his or her password, it's stolen or hacked, the account is not compromised because the hack will need to your device. It could be your phone, for example, to do login. Now, firstly, we need to log into our AWS account. Now click on log back in. And here, firstly, we need to enter our account ID, 12-digit account ID. Then username is demo and password. Now click on sign in. Now we have successfully logged into our AWS account. Now, if I click on this demo, that means my username. And here you can see security credentials. So click on it. And here now we are going to first set up a password policy for our account. So here you can see password for console access. As IAM user, you need to password to access the AWS management console. Now click on change password. And here you can see your new password must meet the password policy requirement for this account. So the first is must be at least 8 characters long, then must include minimum 3 of the following mix of character types: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and these special characters. So firstly, we need to enter our current password. Then here we need to enter new password and then confirm for new password. Then click on this change password. Now this is the IAM password policy. And then the second thing we need to do, set up MFA for our account. For that, firstly, let's check what are the MFA device options in AWS. So if I scroll down, here you can see MFA, Multi Factor Authentication. Now if I click on assign MFA device, So here you can see there is three options. First, virtual MFA device, U2F security key, and then other hardware MFA device. Now, if I click on this AWS multi-factor authentication, and here you can see AWS multi-factor authentication is a simple based practice that adds an extra layer of protection on top of your username and password. And here, if I scroll down, here you can see the first is virtual MFA applications. Applications for your smartphone can be installed from the application store that is specific to your phone type. So here you can see the operating system Android and iPhone, for Android and for iPhone. There is Authy, Duo Mobile, LastPass Authenticator, then Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, and so on. For iPhone, Authy, Duo Mobile, LastPass Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and so on. So here I'm using this Authy, and in my mobile I have downloaded this Authy application. Then the second is, and this virtual MFA device is multi-device, and it is support for multiple tokens on a single device. Then the second is U2F security key, and it is U2F security key means universal second factor. That's why U2F security key. And here, if I scroll up, and you can see universal second factor U2F security key, and if I click on this purchase, and if I scroll down, here you can see it is a physical device YubiKey by Yubico, and this is not a AWS provided. It is a support for multiple root and IAM users using a single security key. And now we are going to choose the type of MFA device. So there is three options: virtual MFA device, U2F security key, and other hardware MFA device. And now I will show you how to set up MFA. So, and if you do it, then you have higher security on your account. But if you lose your MFA token, then you will be locked up of your account. So that's why carefully. So firstly, here I'm using this virtual MFA device, and I have installed Authy application on my mobile. Now click on continue. So the first is install a compatible app on your mobile device or computer. So if I click on this list of compatible application, and if I scroll down, here you can see Authy, Duo Mobile, LastPass Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. So I have installed Authy. And now click on show QR code, and you need to scan this QR code on your mobile. So now scan, and now it will ask me to enter your password. So I will enter my password on my mobile, then confirm password. Then click on enable backup. Now, if I scroll down here, firstly, we need to enter MFA first code 519001. Then after that, the second MFA code 602718. And now click on assign MFA. You have successfully assigned virtual MFA. Now click on close. And now, firstly, we need to sign out. Now click on sign out. And now click on log back in. Firstly, we need to enter our 12-digit account ID, then username, then password. Then click on sign in. And now it will ask MFA code. Now we need to enter our MFA code. So my MFA code is 760321. And now click on submit. So you can see after entering MFA code, we have successfully logged into our AWS account. You can see we have successfully logged into our AWS account. If I click on IAM user, so this is my demo user. So now we have learned how to protect our users and group. That means how to protect our account using IAM password policy, and the second way is MFA multi-factor authentication. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.